If your iPad is stuck in guided access and you don't remember the passcode, don't worry. Here's how to exit guided access without the password. The easiest way is to force restart your iPad. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold the home button and the top power button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen goes black and then the Apple logo appears. Now release both buttons. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the top power button. Keep holding it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once your iPad restarts, the guided access lock is bypassed. Now unlock your iPad using your regular lock screen passcode. After you regain access, it's a good idea to update your guided access settings. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Select Guided Access. From here, you can turn guided access off completely, or set a new passcode that you'll remember. That's it. If you have any other questions, ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPad tips and troubleshooting videos.